this thing will come out. So just put your hand over here because the retainer's gonna try to fall out. If you don't have a new one, we're gonna use the old one. Anyways, let's take this little guy as well. Okay, so pretty much if you put the key in the ignition, you should be able to turn this baby so you have a better angle at it. So what I like to do here is, if you want to do one at a time, you can do one at a time. Okay, just like this. You're gonna compress this baby just like that. So that's how you're gonna compress these. You don't want to go hard on the caliper, I mean on the rotor. So I'm gonna go get another pry bar and we're gonna do this together. Okay, so we got this little guy. Okay, instead of a pry bar, it works the same way, same magic that it's gonna do. You see how the pad went all the way in? It's okay. You can pull it back out, push it from the other end. But that's even good for us because now we should be able to put our pry bar back here and compress the piston. But both, you're gonna have to do both together because they're gonna try to work against each other. So if you take this little guy and you do that, just get enough space, just have enough clearance. Okay, let's make enough clearance for one side first, and we can put our tool in back of that. Okay, so it is gonna be a little tough, but you should be able to get it eventually. Okay, so once this thing is in there, you should be able to get this side as well. As you get more and more space, you should be able to simply just do this and check that out. Just work your way evenly for all 4 pistons. And they're compressed all the way in. Bada bing, bada boom. Should be able to slide out. This little guy should be able to slide out. This little guy. And just keep it in order, just so you don't mess up anything. So I'm gonna get a little bit of cleaner and we're gonna work this back together.